I welcome all of you on platform of Europedia Education, the dedicated platform where we have prepared you very well for engineering services preliminary, especially paper one, that is general aptitude paper. And again, the rhythm we have to make because now the exam of preliminary is going to come in July 2021. So it is after 1.5 years after COVID, etc., etc. This exam is taking place, and now we have to build up the momentum for this exam. I'm to motivate you for exam. I'm to push you for this exam so that we score really good and we get into engineering services. Another good thing is IRMS might come now. IRMS ka pattern still is not finalized, but it might come. And third thing is the seats in engineering services, they may increase because lot of vacancies as per our information and no recruitment since long, so there can be opportunity. So nutshell mein we have to prepare. Now let me basically start it. July 18 ko we have engineering services preliminary, all of you are aware, and this is when last year we were thinking about IRMS, what is happening to IRMS. You know, we used to put videos and all, and many other institutes were also putting videos. Still we have hopes, and what still hopes are there, soon IRMS का कुछ notification, कुछ decision, कुछ output आएगा. So get motivated for that because it is more than 1 year. Last year 5th January 2020 को engineering services preliminary हुआ था. Interviews are going on as of now for engineering services. As you know, today is 15th Feb 2021 and interviews are going on. So now a lot of vacancies are there, and as we know, economy is to now boom. So even engineering services में officers are required. Don't listen to the people who say यार privatize हो जाएगा, सब कुछ privatize हो जाएगा. Don't entertain negative thinking. Be optimistic, be hopeful. अगर फॉर्म लिखा है तैयारी करके हम एग्जाम देंगे and will be hopeful, things are going to gel up and they are going to move. And railways में recruitment बहुत टाइम से नहीं हुआ तो वो भी होना है. So now I'm going to tell you about the pattern. As you already know, बिफोर दैट शेड्यूल 18 जुलाई को एग्जाम होगा जिसका रिजल्ट सितंबर में आ जाएगा, और अक्टूबर में इंजीनियरिंग सबसे एग्जाम का मेंस होगा एंड उसका रिजल्ट आपका दिसंबर इस साल डिक्लेयर हो जाएगा. एंड अगेन जनवरी फरवरी प्रेजेंटली जैसे इंटरव्यू चल रहे हैं तो उसके इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. दैट इज व्हाट द टाइमलाइन वी हैव. वी नीड टू स्टिक टू दिस, वी नीड टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट. नो प्रिलिमिनरी पैटर्न होता क्या है, एज यू नो प्रिलिमिनरी में दो पेपर होते हैं. एक पेपर होता है आपका टेक्निकल पेपर, पेपर 2 जिसको बोलते हैं जैसे सिविल इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग हो गया, एंड पेपर 1 इज जनरल स्टडीज एंड जनरल एप्टीट्यूड विच हैव कपल ऑफ topics, you know, and that is of 200 marks, 200 marks, 300 marks, 500 marks. And one thing, अनलाइक यूपीएससी आईएएस के प्रिलिमिनरी के मार्क्स ऐड नहीं होते, बट इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज के प्रिलिमिनरी के 500 मार्क्स आर एडेड इनटू फाइनल लिस्ट ऑफ 1300 मार्क्स. दिस इज 500 एंड आई थिंक 600 का पेपर 2 होगा, विच आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू नाउ. पेपर 2 विच इज द मेंस. व्हेन इज द प्री? सर प्री इज इन जुलाई, जुलाई 18 को प्री है. व्हेन इज द मेंस? मेंस इज 10th अक्टूबर. ओके, मेंस में कितने मार्क्स का आएगा? मेंस में दो पेपर होगा सर, सिविल इंजीनियरिंग 1, सिविल इंजीनियरिंग 2, मैकेनिकल 1, मैकेनिकल 2, इलेक्ट्रिकल 1, इलेक्ट्रिकल 2, 600 marks. So this 600 marks will be added with these 500 marks and you get 1100 marks. And after that you go to interview stage, and interview stage में आपका 200 marks और add होगा, तो 500 plus 600 plus 200, that is 1300 marks में से list बनेगा. And approximately if you score 500 to 600, you know, 60%, 70% if you score, you top this exam, right? So that is how this entire thing is. Now if I come to paper 1, syllabus of paper 1, and you know your PDA is going to start now series of videos. Your PDA is a champion of paper 1 engineering services, as you already know. So if you put any topic of engineering services paper 1 on YouTube, you will find your PDA, and mentors have exhaustively covered it. So these are the topics, you know, current issues, national international importance, general aptitude, logical reasoning, engineering mathematics, design drawing, importance of safety, quality, environment, project management, material science, information communication technology, ICT, values and ethics. So these all are basically added in the paper 1, you know, and 5% to 15% is the weightage of each of these topics. So there are 10 topics and you know 200 marks, 10 topics, 200 marks, and each topic covers approximately 10% of the syllabi, right? So as you can understand, 10% weightage to each of the topics. So 200 marks में से 10% कितना हो गया? 20 marks. So हर topics में से आपका 15-20 marks का आ सकता है. That is how this syllabus is maintained. Now this part you can leave on Yourpedia. You know, if you go to a YouTube channel, you will find on Yourpedia we have covered each and every topic through concepts, through question series, topic series. You put values and ethics, you will find on Yourpedia very good lectures are already there. Panel there is basically there's a entire playlist on Yourpedia education channel if you find engineering success. So this part you can leave, and we are very soon going to have the rhythm we are going to make for this particular paper. And in this paper you should target more than 140 if you want to score really good. Technical paper may you score whatever you get, and then in this paper target 140 plus, because this is going to make big difference. And another advantage what if you prepare well will be IRMS. Nobody know what syllabus IRMS is going to have, but this I can tell you, like whatever the components of this syllabus, these components are there. IRMS may you cannot have other than this, because project management has to be there, values and ethics have to be there, you know, these things, quality control has to be there. You cannot avoid this. So whatever you will be preparing here, that will certainly help you in IRMS also. Prepare well along with Yourpedia. We are going to push it hard for July, and let's now score really good in this paper. Fine, thank you. So let's put effort together and score high in this exam and get into engineering success. All the best.